How to delete and remove a post from your website on WordPress. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple and easy. Just go to your WordPress dashboard, as you can see right here. Now go to this posts option and click on all posts. After you click all posts, here you will find all your published posts and your drafts, your scheduled and your deleted also. Now all what you have to do to delete this post for example, go here on those three dots and click trash. Now as you can see, I just deleted my post easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.